As a beginner car wrapper, there's a few things that you must know. The first thing is, which panel should you wrap first? And whether it's the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the rear bumper. You're about to wrap a whole car. Let me show you how to do this. Wait, hold up. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe now. So you've already prepped the car, you've already dismantled it, and you probably struggled along the way on doing it. I get that. And now, I know some people are like, man, just choose the easiest panel, but don't ever choose the hard one. I agree. Don't choose the hard one, but don't really choose the easiest ones either. Why is that? Because no one's looking to see you wrap a door handle or even like a little small area like that. No, start with something very simple, but still looks good enough where you don't have to keep doing more. The hood is the first place that you need to go ahead and wrap at, or the roof, because these can be standalone pieces that you could just wrap and leave it the way it is. Not like compared to wrapping a door, and now you got one door that's a different color from all the other doors. Or even trying to wrap a fender. Come on now, if you wrap one side, you gotta do the other side. As you can see, we've already wrapped the roof on this one. Now we're about to wrap the hood. Let's get to this. While I'm wrapping this hood, I'm gonna explain the reasons why it's always great to wrap a hood or a roof. Let's get to it. You could ride around anywhere and be like, hey, yeah, I just wrapped my hood or I just wrapped my roof. And everybody's gonna be like, oh, that's pretty cool. But if you wrap a rear quarter panel on one side, and that's one of the harder panels, you gotta do the other side. Wrap the hood, it makes it look good. And you know this too. The second reason why I always want you to wrap your hood, it builds complete confidence. Yes, it builds complete confidence because now you feel comfortable enough to tackle bigger parts of this car. And that's what makes it that much easier to do this, because once you do it the first time, the next time that you do it over and over, it's like a cakewalk to you. The next reason is you don't use that much vinyl. You will use about 6 feet worth of vinyl, but nothing too crazy where it's 120 inches worth of vinyl. And once you do it right the first time, the next times is easier and easier. Why? Because your friends are gonna want it done on their cars too. So now you can go ahead and charge them very slightly, but you know they're your friends. So they're gonna promote your work for you to get bigger projects. So here's what I suggest. Get 25 feet worth of vinyl. Use either gloss, matte, or satin black. You're gonna do your hood 2 times with 25 feet of vinyl. Yes, I know you're doing the math. You're like, hold up. 2 times 6 is 12. You just said by 25 feet. Yes, you're gonna wrap your hood twice. First time is learning curve. Second time is perfecting it. Third and fourth ones that you're doing your friends. Now you easily got it. No questions about it. My math is math, and is yours? Now this hood is pretty much glassed out. Another tip, the reason why this is the best place to start with, or the roof, you have so much room for mistakes. You can make a mistake and then still keep going, and then it won't be that bad. Simple scratch here, maybe a crease there. It's okay, you're a beginner, I get it. You're going to do those. These don't cause it to be that bad of problems. It can if you don't take a class. Speaking of taking a class, come and join our class where we have 1-day class, 3-day class, and a 5-day class. We even have a master class. We even have it to where you can only do appliance wraps if you don't feel like touching cars. I get it. Not everybody wants to deal with cars. You want to sit inside in someone's house and wrap all of their appliances. That makes life easier. Join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks and not make the same mistakes over and over, so you can accomplish something really nice like I'm about to. Do not ever try to wrap a bumper first. Listen to me very clearly when I say this. If you try to wrap a bumper first, you're gonna fail. Immediate, trust me. Start off with the panel that you know you can handle, and that is the hood or the roof. Another reason that I like doing this, wrapping hoods or roofs, is because once you have perfected a skill, meaning that you've wrapped at least 4 hoods and or roofs, now this is something that's very lucrative, whether you're doing it for a side hustle or a main business. Just imagine if you charge $200 per hood at minimum and you did 5 hoods a day. Do the math on that. Also ask yourself, how many of your friends just come in and say, hey man, I just want 1 fender wrap? No one does that. Give them what they ask for. Learn it from this one right here. Doing a simple panel of a hood first and then jump to any other panels you like. Now that we have everything squeegeed out, tuck and cut time. Also, in the comments below, what car do you have and what do you think you're gonna wrap first on it? Whether it's the hood or the roof, or you tell me which panels you really wanna wrap first. Now, as we're tucking and cutting right here, this is another tip that I always recommend why you should wrap the hood. You can make some mistakes on here and leave too much vinyl, like I did when I first started, or almost cut a little short, but it's okay. It's your first time, we get it. It doesn't show that many mistakes on this compared to a front bumper or a door handle, or a side mirror, or a rear bumper. The list goes on. This is not time consuming compared to doing a rear quarter panel or a rear bumper or a front bumper or any of the larger panels. You may at max spend 2 hours on this, not a whole day. So based off all the things that I've already said, which one do you think would be the best benefit for you? Doing the hood or doing the roof? Put in your comments below. In this video right here, I'm gonna show you some of the best techniques that you can use wrapping on any panel.